Sonst geht die HM-verkko.
Alright, this is also very interesting and amazing today on the 50th of April 2025. What was the address? Was it Runkokatu?
Yeah.
Yep. Which number was it?
14.
14 staircase. We have also filmed the staircases F and G here, which also have elevators, and the staircase A will go to soon. So just 4 of them have elevators. Also the type of red direction arrows, but staircases F and G have the direction arrows here.
Yeah.
That's also very interesting, of course.
Yeah.
It was also built in 1987, the same recipe one in the 0020, probably the beginning of 1987 maybe.
Yeah.
Best 4% into it first. Yeah, quite nice because of this already here.
Yeah.
Station house. This is also in Haukiluoma, one of the suburbs of Tampere. I'm a forest speaker of in Finland.
Inspecteert pak je wijnspectaat, maintained about so no discuss.
I like the sound system out here.
Same here.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the staircase. Here. It has the acoustic bell, and you can check that to the stage too.
That's